position. Okay? Next, you have already obtained your equipment. You are going back to your patient and you are going to identify the patient now. Okay? And how do you identify your patient? You're going to ask the complete name of your patient. Okay? Ma'am, may hapon, can I have your full name, please? Okay, Ms. Bolaño, I am Leo Mendoza, your caregiver for today. I am going to transfer you from this bed to the X-ray department. Okay? Don't worry, ma'am. I'm going to assist you in getting into the wheelchair. Okay? Please cooperate. Okay? Ganun lang yan. That is explaining the procedure to the client. Okay? Not only did you identify yourself and the client, okay, but you also explain the procedure, okay, to provide cooperation and lessen the anxiety of your patient. Okay? Next, after that, you're going to adjust the height of the bed to the lowest possible position. Okay? And the rationale for this is this will reduce the distance that the client has to step down, thus decreasing the risk of injury. Okay? So I'm assuming that I've already lowered down the rails of the bed. Okay? Hindi na po itong ilo-lower, kundi the entire bed will be lowered. Okay? Next, I'm going to slowly raise the head of the bed if not contraindicated by the client's condition. Kindly write down an X on number 7. Pakilagyan po ng X. We will not anymore follow number 7. Okay? Because we are following TESDA standards. So, according to TESDA standards, we do not raise the head of the bed to a 45-degree angle. Okay? So, flat on bed lang siya. Okay? Now, number 8, nag-skip na siya. Okay? Before you go to number 8, guys, kindly write there, you are going to divide the patient's body into 3 parts. Okay? The head part, the torso, or the middle part, and the foot parts. Okay? So, divide the body into 3 parts. Imaginary lang, ha? The head part, the torso, and the foot part. Torso means the trunk, kanang lawas, okay, or the middle. Okay? Now that we have divided the body into 3 parts, you can now place the patient on the edge of the table. Okay, and what is the rationale for that? So that you can, so it will be easier for you to put her in a sitting position. Okay? So first, with the head part, you're going to place the patient. Relax lang, ma'am. Dito na ako po back. Okay, 1, 2, 3, okay? And then next is the middle part or the torso. 1, 2, 3. And then foot part, this one. Okay? So now you are ready because your patient is now on the edge of the bed. Okay? Bakit natin kailangan siya on the edge of the bed? Serious, imagine kung nasa dito. Okay? So it will be systematic for you to pivot your patient. Okay, so number 8 na tayo. Okay, place one arm under the client's leg and one arm behind the client's back and slowly pivot the client so the legs are dangling over the edge of the bed. Okay, so you're going to place the patient in a sitting position. Okay, ma'am, very important you have to instruct your client. Hindi lang ka basta muhulbot sa yahan. Okay? Kaya in the United States, they are very strict about this. Hindi ka basta-basta manggunit kung di ka magpananghit. You're going to ask first the client's permission. Ma'am, can I hold you, ma'am? And we will turn you into a sitting position. Yes. Okay? So now, on the count of 3, we will put you on a sitting position. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's pivot. Pivot or pivots. Okay? Next. Number 9, allow the client to dangle for 2 to 5 minutes and support the client if necessary. Okay? Dangling the feet is like that. You know, anak. Okay? So that's dangling the feet. Now, why are you going to let the patient dangle the feet? Okay, this is to prevent orthostatic hypotension. Okay, and kindly write it down. Prevent orthostatic hypotension. Okay? Now, if I'm going to ask you, what is orthostatic hypotension? What is the definition of orthostatic? It's the sudden drop of blood pressure during position changes. Kana ganing kalit mo siya, patindugo niya, palipong siya, mo na siyang orthostatic hypotension. Okay? They are very common among elderly clients, kanang mga tigulang, and of course, yung mga bedridden. Okay? Common kayo na sila. Okay? So yeah, allow the client to dangle the feet for maybe 5 minutes. And then you can now bring the chair or the wheelchair close to the side of the bed and place it at a 45-degree angle of the bed. Okay? If the client has a weaker side, place the chair or the wheelchair on the client's strong side. So ang weak niya is the left. So where are you going to position the wheelchair?
Right.
Sa right side. So diri dapit. Okay, we're going to now bring the wheelchair and place now the wheelchair on the strong side. Diri, right side man. Pero kung ang iyang weak side is the right, asa nang libutang? Diri dapit. Okay, nakuha? Okay, so assuming left side. So this is a 45-degree angle towards the bed. Dili paana. Baliktad. Isod mo yung pasod na. Okay? 45-degree angle facing the client's bed. Okay? So this will allow the client to bear weight on the strong leg. Next, you're going to lock the wheelchair brakes and elevate the foot pedals. So you're going to apply the brakes and then yung mga wheelchair natin, meron kasi yung foot pedals. So we're going to lift the foot pedals and remove the foot pedals. Okay? And then you're going to now put the transfer belt or other transfer aid if needed. Kita na yung belt, diba? Kaya yung bar, okay? Para pa na.
Kailangan pag-arte magalag dito. Meron siya, sir.
Sige, sir. Okay. Pag may belt, ilalagay mo dito, okay? And then you should fit the belt not too tight and not too loose. Dili kay buot, dili pud kay siya luwag. Okay? Ayun. Okay.
Girl Scout isay. Lagi na ka.
Okay. Not too tight and not too loose. And how are you going to know if it's not too tight and not too loose? You're going to put 2 fingers inside the belt and it should be snugly fit. Maka, sunod pa ka o 2 fingers. So, inami, luwag pa siya.
Buotol siya?
Tama lang. Na ginawa pa ka. Okay? So, this is a snug fit. Okay? Not too tight and not too loose. Okay? So, the safety belt provides a safe balance. It holds the patient without stressing the joints or the limbs. Okay? And now you're going to ready yourself. Okay? So, ikaw, you are the lifter. The lifter's knees are well flexed with the back straight. So, dapat ito yung magpa-flex sa'yo and the back should be straight. Dili ka maging anak. So, anak na siya. Okay? So, this is for good body mechanics. Okay? And now, you can place your hands on the transfer belt and instruct the patient to put her hands on your shoulders. Okay? Shoulders. Okay? And then the weak leg is this one, the left leg. So you're going to protect this one by ganyan, sangga. Okay? You're going to protect the knee, okay, from injury, and then you will instruct the patient, ma'am, on the count of 3, I'm going to put you on a standing position. 1, 2, 3. Go pa. Then, kani iyang heel, ma'am, I'm going to put you on a sitting position. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Ana lang siya. Mura na mag nag-pivot diri ang murag paana ba? Okay? So, and then, once the patient is on the wheelchair, you can get pillows. For support. Okay? And then you're going to now flex the, you're going to assess the client secure the safety belt, place the client's feet on the foot pedals, okay, release the brakes if you will be moving the client immediately. Okay, and then wash your hands, record the effects of the transfer. Okay, mola. Tanggalon na nimo ang safety belts. Okay, you're going to unlock the wheelchair. Ibabalik mo na yung foot pedal, and then you can now take the patient wherever she wants to go. Okay, mola to.
Ang pagbalik, sir.
Ang pagbalik, hindi na ako ipa-perform. I will just question you. For example, left, asan mo siya ibutang? For example, gani na left. So, gani na po siya. Okay? So, ay, paano sa sapatos mo? Yan. Okay, left. And then,
Yeah.
good. Yan. Okay? So, nakaganito na naman ang patient. 45-degree angle. Lock the wheelchair. Okay? The same procedure, you're going to place the transfer belt. Then, ma'am, place your hands on my shoulder. Okay? Saan ang injury? Nasa left.
Left, mali yung injury.
Asa man?
Nasa left.
So, dali ka mag-squat. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay? Then, ma'am, I'm going to place you on a lying down position. Saan yung ulo? Dito. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Wala.
Hanggang.
Okay?
Yan na ka.
Yara ka.
Yan na ka.
Okay, so now let's go to your assistive devices.